Hey everyone, I've had this problem once or twice, not too often, but just got home and I'm trying to open the charging port. Oh, there it goes. I literally tried pressing the button, I don't know how many times, 10 or 15 times, and it wouldn't open. It just opened. Although the car just did finally come to sort of a sleep mode. So the fans were running. It's a hot day out. And I don't know what caused it, but I pressed that button 10 or 15 times. Tried opening the door, tried everything, and it would not open. And I just, after it sort of like went to sleep, it opened. Don't know what the issue is here. Maybe when the car's too hot, it doesn't want you to plug it in, perhaps. It was a hot day out, so maybe that could be it. I'll see if I can figure it out. Bye-bye.
Thanks again for watching. My videos for the Model 3 are here in the top right. My son's channel, The Nerdwriter, is in the top left. Check him out. He's got some really good videos. And please don't forget to subscribe. Thanks, everyone. Bye-bye.